Men are the most happy when they're building towards something meaningful. Think of all of the millionaires and influencers that you see online. What do they have in common? They have dominated the entire space. They have dominated every single competitor they know. And there's a way that they have done it that majority of people won't even know. Like I said at the start, men are the most happy when they're building towards something meaningful. 99% of people are building towards things they don't even enjoy. These things don't even give them fulfillment, yet they still have to do it because it's their responsibility. I have found this myself that I'm very much fulfilled and very much happy when I'm building towards something like my physique or my business. And the majority of people will never live such fulfilling lives because they don't understand the triangle framework. This is the framework that helps you build a healthy, fulfilling life. See, human life is divided into three essential parts: health, work, and relationships. These three are like the pillars of your life, of every human life. And maintaining the balance between these three pillars is the key to happiness. So what you must do is pick out the most important and most fulfilling task out of these three pillars from health, work, and relationships, and then convert them into a habit and do that habit every single day. I'll take my life as an example. In health, I focus on two main things, that is working out and eating properly. These two things are the most important tasks to maintain good health. That is my habit in health section. In work section is to make these kinds of videos. I enjoy them and they're the most important one. My relationships, hanging out with my friends. The most important tasks, but the most fulfilling. Doing these habits every single day will not only make you disciplined at it, but it will also make you happier than you are because you're doing the most fulfilling tasks. You should also use this yourself. See, instead of wasting time on YouTube watching pointless videos because YouTube has targeted you to be distracted, you can do one thing that is better. You can join my newsletter because number one, it's free. And secondly, you get so much knowledge and you can actually read instead of watching anything. So that way your reading is also done and it's a win-win for both of us. So scroll down in the description, join my newsletter, join the Telegram group. Don't sacrifice your future self for the pleasure today. Peace.